Hey everyone, it's Ashley and today we are doing another at-home wig install. I'm working with Aliexpress ISEE Hair. I've bleached the knots, I've plucked the unit, and I've added makeup to the lace and then adjusted the straps in the back. So I'm going to apply the unit and install it using the glueless installation method, and then I'm going to show you guys like a curly hair routine. So let's go ahead and put this wig on. Gotta scoot back a little bit. Okay, she is on. The last few at-home wig installs, I have realized that I do need some more work with plucking, but I feel like this is a little better, especially this side. This side looks pretty good. Okay, so what we're gonna do, now that the wig is on, I'm gonna take my scissors and cut the ear tabs. Okay, so now that we have the ear tabs cut off, this is what the wig is looking like. I'm gonna pull the lace to adjust it to where I'd like it. And then I'm going to take my bed head spray and I'm gonna lift up my lace. And spray. But I'm gonna use my fingers to like guide the spray so that it doesn't like fall down on my face. Pull the lace back down. And then use my comb to comb through the lace, comb through the hair. Then we're gonna blow dry. Okay, so I feel like this side is pretty secure. I'm just gonna, hold on y'all. Spray a little bit more on this side, especially over here by the ear and sideburn. And pull that part down pretty snug. Okay, so I feel like this is pretty secure. So let's move in. Let's move on to the eyebrow razors. Got these from Amazon. I'm gonna use this to cut my lace. Actually, first, to make it easier on myself, use my scissors and cut little slits. All right, so I'm gonna take the razor and just like usual, need to move my mirror a little bit closer. Okay, so I have all the lace cut off. Y'all, I cut myself on accident. Oops. I'm spraying my finger with my bed head spray and pressing that into the lace so that I can blow dry it and do a better job of like melting the lace down. I'm gonna tie this elastic band onto my lace. Bring it around back and secure. Oh my gosh, okay, Ashley. Bring it around back and secure it. And then I'm gonna take this deranged Beyond the Zone molding wax and I'm going to apply a little bit of this to my finger. Spread it around and then apply it to my part. Got my hot comb hot and ready. And I'm just going to hot comb my hair. Okay, so I've done enough hot combing for the moment. What I'm gonna do now is go in and use the sharper part of my tweezers right here and just run my tweezers down my part. I don't want to make my part wide, too wide, I'll say that, but I do want to make it a little bit more pronounced. Okay y'all, so this baby hairstyle is a little more difficult than it looks, but I'm gonna keep going. So it looks like she takes a section of hair. Her sections of hair look a little bit thicker than mine. Yeah, like this looks like more her steez. Me, I'm gonna tweeze just a little bit. Then I'm gonna put some Got To Be on the back of my hand. And I'm gonna hold this section down and just add that Got To Be to like the beginning portion of the baby hairs, because when I cut the baby hairs, because hers are shorter, they kind of went all over the place. So let's see, I think she would cut hers about like right here. That looks about right. So come down, like brush it down, and then use the comb side to like curve it around. Ooh, that doesn't look too bad. This one isn't looking too shabby. And then you can like add some Got To Be right there. That doesn't look too bad. I feel like this section is a little too thick. Okay y'all, so this is the best I feel like I could do. I don't know, okay, take away the flakiness and then take away the kind of mess up a little bit on the first attempt, and this looks pretty good for like, you know, this looks pretty good. I feel like I can like get better. I feel like there's room for improvement, but for now it looks pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is put a towel around my neck, wet my hair or dampen it a little bit. I'm going to apply this leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to apply a little bit of the the Eco Styler gel, and then run my Diamond brush, or run my, it's not technically a Diamond brush, but you'll see, and then put my diffuser attachment onto my blow dryer, diffuse the hair, and then just kind of like make it bigger. So define the curls, diffuse the hair, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final product. So this was my at-home wig install and curly hair routine. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I don't know, okay, like I've been trying to keep my composure, I really have. But y'all, I think I snapped. Like I think I snapped with this one. The baby hairs look pretty good. I'm not mad at the baby hairs. The curls are dry and super defined. Like to get this kind of definition, usually I feel like my curls have to be really damp or like really drenched in water and product. I am so proud of this install. I'm so happy with these results. Like, oh my gosh, I just feel like I snapped. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Give this video a big, huge thumbs up if you are liking this at-home wig install series. I'm really excited. Thank you so much for hanging in there with me with these at-home wig installs. I kind of just wanted to see if I could try my hand at perfecting getting the hang of wig installs at home, so that every time I get a wig, I don't have to run to my stylist, Touch by TJ, to get it installed. I'm just like, you know, thinking to myself, maybe I can at least get the hang of it enough to install a wig at home, just in case TJ is out of town or not feeling well, or he's booked and doesn't have time to squeeze me in. I don't have to bounce around the city getting a whole bunch of different hairstylists. I can do enough to hold me over right here at home. So that was the whole point of the series. I feel like I've been getting a little bit better every single time and learning something new every single time, but you guys be the judge in the comment section down below. And that is it. I'll see you guys in my next video, and until then, stay beautiful, stay safe. I love you guys so much. Bye. Mwah. I did really good. I did so good. I did really good. Where's my clicker?